You about to eat what for breakfast?
Strawberry.
Okay, what is this called? Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
So you want strawberry, peach, or bananas, or blueberries?
Strawberry.
You want strawberry?
Yeah.
Get strawberry.
I found it.
You eating one pack?
Yeah.
All right. So you gotta open it.
Yeah.
You gotta shake it so all of the oatmeal can go to the bottom, and then go ahead and open it up.
This?
Yep, rip it open. Be careful now.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. You gotta open it up some more. You gotta open up some more, baby. That's not enough. You gotta open up some more. Look, when you open it, you gotta do it all the way. Pull it, pull it. Pull this. No, pull this. Pull this. All right, give me that. So I'll throw it in the trash for you. Now go ahead and put your oatmeal in there. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh. We're going to take some milk and pour it in here, okay? I think you can do that. So take some milk and pour it in here.
I don't want to be it.
It's okay. I know you don't want to spill it, but if you do, it's okay. Okay, stop. That's enough. Good job. Okay, you're going to take it and you're going to pour it inside the bowl. You got it? Oh. That's what it looks like.
That's baby Daddy.
Yeah. You're going to make it with milk. Okay. You want to show them?
Yeah.
You can show them so they can see it. See what you're doing. See? Strawberry?
Yeah, it's my favorite color.
That's your favorite color. Put your oatmeal in the microwave. All right, press 2. 2 is right here, baby. 2 is right there. Press 2. Good job. It's cooking.
Yeah. I got to.
Yeah.
It's oatmeal.
It's oatmeal. All right, let's get your sippy cup ready with milk. You want milk or water? Savi chose milk. If y'all hear something in the background, that's the microwave. It is cooking. She's gonna pour some milk into our sippy cup. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Or do you want to use this cup that already has milk in it?
Yeah.
You want to use a big gallon? You got it? Can you hold the cup for you?
Yeah.
All right. Pour as much as you want.
I did it.
You can't do it? You want me to help you?
Big.
It's big? Let me help you. She said it's too heavy. I don't think it's too... Good job.
I did it.
All right, put your top on there. Her oatmeal just stopped, y'all, so that's the sound. Wait a second. The first thing that I'll be trying to get Savi to do is drink water in the morning. Even if it's a few sips, it's fine. So she's going to drink her water. Go ahead and drink your water. You want one more sip? Come on, you can do one more sip. Make it 2 sips, because you're 2 years old. Good job. All right, look. You go put the microwave, get your oatmeal out. Well, you ain't gonna take that because it's gonna be very hot. I'm gonna help you. Oh, it's all the way over there. It's all the way over there. You can't reach it. Boom. Look at it. It looks so different when it's made with milk. Make it with water for now on. Yeah, because look at it. It looks weird. Oh, record me. Savi is recording, y'all. You gotta record the bowl, Mom. Record the bowl so they can see. I'm gonna add some water to it because I don't know. It looks like it's not done at all. Like the oats still look the same, so I'm gonna add some water to it, and then I'm gonna pop. Okay, so put it back in the microwave. She said, "Ask her, do you want me to?" She said she got it herself. It's hot, so I don't want her to burn herself. You gonna close the microwave back?
Yeah.
Close the microwave back.
I didn't reach it.
Look, you can reach it. There you go. All right, press the number 1. Good job. Yay. Savi's going to be adding her sugar and her milk. Go ahead and add your sugar, Mom. Good job. You going to put another one?
Yeah. I don't want to put it, okay?
That's it? One more.
Wow.
How many spoons you just put in there?
Wow.
You put 3.
See?
Yep. All right. I think that's that. At this point, that's enough. That's enough sugar, Mom. That's enough sugar, Mom. Look, okay, you can add a little bit more. This is her video. Let her do it. All right, that's it. That's no more sugar. No more sugar. Okay, now milk. Okay, now you gotta mix it. Can you mix it?
I don't want you to make all the way. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
You need something.
You need help mixing it, or you got it?
Got it.
Okay.
Mom, done there. Mom, what do I need?
Yeah.
I need
Friends. Taste it for our friends. It's good. Like it?
Yeah, I don't put it in the top, okay?
Okay.
Now I got to super watch it.